press the subscribe button and the bell icon and never miss any updates from Saksham.
Hey, what's up guys, Saksham here from techiesaksham.com, help you go further and faster in technology. So on this channel we do tech videos just like this one. So if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Hi guys, so the first tech announcement is for the PlayerUnknown Battleground. So the PlayerUnknown Battleground is very popular these days, and it has also become the most popular one online multiplayer game for the Google Play Store or the App Store, and it is available on the desktop, iOS, Play Store, mobile and Xbox also. And according to the publisher techiesaksham.com, they have already said that we have achieved 100 million downloads in just 4 months. And if you look on the other hand, the Fortnite, the competitor of the Player Online Battlegrounds, they have also achieved 100 million downloads in just 4 months on the iOS. Because Fortnite is not available for the Android user, so it has already crossed just the 100 million downloads on the iOS store. Yesterday, Huawei has unveiled their 4 new devices, very beautiful devices if you look at them. And their devices were that Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, Mate 20 Pro X and Mate 20 RS, which is a Porsche Design phone. And if you're thinking to buy the Huawei 20, just the 20, it will cost you around 68,000 rupees. And if you go for the 20X, it will cost you around 78,000 rupees. And if you go for the 20 Pro, it will cost you around 90,000 rupees. And if you go for the exclusive, the Porsche Design RS 20 Pro RS Porsche Design, it will cost you around 1,42,000 rupees. And you can check out the link in the description below. You can visit their website and check out their phone and just quickly buy them out. And I will see you in the next tech announcement. Guys, at the launch of the Mate 20 series was launched yesterday of Huawei, they also launched their 2 variables, in which you will get a Watch GT, which is a smartwatch, and the Band 3 Pro, which is a fitness tracker. And the Watch 3 GT comes with a light OS and it claims 14 days of battery life. And it comes to real-time heart tracker and sleep tracker and the sports tracking features also. And while we look at the Band 3 Pro, it is a fitness tracker in which you get the GPS and AMOLED touchscreen device, and it also gets the water resistant capability. And if you want to go for the GT smartwatch, it comes in 2 variants. The first one is the sport variant. If you want to go for the sport variant, it is about 70,000 rupees. And if you want to go for the classic variant, it will cost you around 22,000 rupees. And if you want to go for the Band 3 Pro, which is at a more reasonable price, it is at 9,000 rupees. So just hurry up, just go check out their website. So guys, this second announcement is for YouTube. Last night YouTube went down. Yes, you heard the right. Last night YouTube went down in the time between 9 to 12 o'clock between. I don't know what was the problem, but the users could not watch the content creators video, and the content creator videos could not upload their videos on the time. And by this problem, this seriously infected the YouTube TV and the YouTube music access. So, and now the YouTube has also resolved this problem, and now they have also apologized on the Twitter, saying that we apologize and we will report you about any update further. And let's see what will YouTube do again. But now for the time, YouTube has fixed the problem, and now you can watch your videos of your user contents or creator contents channel. So guys, Apple has started selling their new refurbished iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, and it's only available for the 64 gigabits variant. And the colors will be available are the space gray, the silver and the gold edition. But the brand new iPhone 8 will cost you around $600, but the refurbished iPhone 8 will cost you around $500, and the 8 Plus refurbished iPhone will be costing you around $600. And it's a pretty good deal, so I think you may be considering the refurbished iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus. And as compared to the new one, it's also saving you $100. And the things will be same, and the things will you get in the box will also be same, but the difference will be that it's a refurbished device.